Welcome to FPV Insights. I'm Lucy. Today we are talking about the stunning drone light show. Tech giant DJI has conducted its first ever drone light show with 1,000 aircraft, joining the UN Food and Agricultural Organization in celebrating the 14th World Food Day on October 16. At the inaugural light show, 1,000 drones resembling fireflies ascended and creating a formation in the skies, showcasing the FAO and the theme of World Food Days. They transformed into water droplets, descended onto the lake surface and creating ripples. A mesmerizing display unfolded as a goddess of life, ended by a DJI Agro drone, sow seed and natural on the earth. The results, a harmonious scene of greenery where humans and nature coexist. We are delighted to announce that the inaugural drone light show of the DJI Fly Flights project is dedicated to celebrating World Food Days, said Christina Zhang, a senior corporate strategy director at DJI. Our agricultural drone solutions are making significant strides in improving sustainable food production and safeguarding water resources. We aim to raise awareness about water resource conservation and demonstrate how the world can reap the benefit of significant and technological advancements. Since 2012, DJI has expanded its agricultural business to more than 100 countries and regions on 6 continents. By the beginning of October 2023, the cumulative area of DJI global agricultural operations reached 988 million acres. Through precise facilitation and spraying, cumulative water saving was recording at 174 million tons, equivalent to the amount of water consumed by 300 million people in a year. Powered by battery rather than fuel, the cumulative reduction of carbon emissions by DJI agricultural drone was 20.58 million tons, equivalent to planting 1.26 billion trees on Earth. Drone light show has been all the rage, especially this year. Then there's other forms of using drones for entertainment, like the drone light show in Hong Kong and Shenzhen, with about 1,200 drones in each city lit up the night skies over Victoria Harbour and OCT Harbour to celebrate the Mid-Autumn Festival and National Days. And Dragon Boat show with 1,500 drones in June. With environmental protection in mind, more and more people believe that fireworks displays should be reduced. In many cases, drone shows have been used successfully as a great complement of fireworks displays. They are capable of a far greater range of effects than fireworks. As drone shows become more affordable, we expect to see events using them more frequently.